Hey guys, a quick announcement about Apple Music membership prices in India. Apple has recently reduced its Apple Music subscription prices, and you can find this new charges starting from 49 rupees. 49 rupees is for students, 99 rupees is for individuals, and you can have 149 rupees plan for family sharing. All of us mostly will be using an individual plan, which is 99 rupees a month. You can see the earlier prices was around 120 rupees a month, and now it has been slashed to 99 rupees a month. So considering the market, Apple has reduced the prices, and there is a lot of competition in the market right now, and that is the reason Apple has reduced the prices. So as you can see, there are a lot of music subscription services available in the market right now, and as an end user we are going to get the benefit. So it's a good news that Apple has sliced the prices. If you're already using Apple Music, you can have this benefit starting from your next billing cycle, and if you're not using Apple Music, you can give it a try if you wanna test how the Apple Music is. It's good. I'm using it for last few years and it's doing really well. Since it is handled by Apple and is made by Apple, it is definitely going to work better. And considering the Indian situations, it's the collection is not that good, but still they're improving, and we can expect some good music collection in the future. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.